The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. The jewel treasure of the 9 treasuries. Then Sattva Vajra presented a request to the great Vajrasattva with these words. The supreme light of the self-luminescent sun holds the treasure of awareness of the 9 treasuries within the perfect transmission, spontaneous and effortless, in which the 9 treasuries bring down a rain of our desires, while emotional problems are seen as one with wisdom. Please explain how one thing is divided into 9. Then the great Vajrasattva gave an oration with these words. O Mahasattva, a single circle is divided in 2. The one truth is presented with exaggerations and deprecations. The 6 kinds of beings in Samsara are one, but are perceived to be separate. This puts a shadow on the treasure of the awareness of our 9 desires. In this circle that is entirely round, there has never been a samsara or nirvana. Samsara, in the heart essence of enlightenment, is how sorrow dawns on us to be the playfulness of the all-good. It is not complicated. It is luminescent in its circle. It is luminescent but dissolves into the dimension of the unreal. Lust, hatred, stupidity, pride, and great jealousy due to things being secret shine out without our seeking them as the 5 wisdoms. Wisdom pervades everything like the sun. It is a healer for the 5 regions of our 5 desires. It is a self-arising compassion that heals everything. The playfulness of reflexive awareness dawns on us personally. The enjoyment of reflexive awareness is something we do for ourselves. The lamp of luminescent wisdom shines naturally on living beings who are darkened by ignorance. Samsara itself is primordial Buddhahood. Sorrow is an ornament of happiness and pleasure. To designate the self-luminescence of primordial wisdom to be dual is a pathway of delusion. Our bodies, speech, minds, and every action shine in the dimension of luminous awareness, like the pathways of the birds in the sky. They melt into the dominion of the sky and are no longer evident. The treasure of equanimous awareness includes our dominion and lordship over provinces and our magical powers. Our works, practices, and contemplation are inclusive, while we remain in the state of self-luminescent wisdom, which is naturally non-dual and is pervasive like the sky. The blessings this creates are arrayed like the stars.